Hi guys, this is another video on Snowflake. The subject of today is Snowflake parent-child data hierarchies. So we'll see what Snowflake propose to cover this subject. So this is some references for query hierarchical data for Snowflake documentation. And we will see also Python code from Christian. I put the link here. Just explore the hierarchy with a visual graph. So here we have a table that will be populated from a file. As usual, we need to create the table, the file format, and then the copy into command. Here we have the employer ID and the manager ID, and the president here has null manager ID because he's the boss. So we can use the connect by clause. So here we need to start with manager ID is null, connect by pror, and need to map the manager ID to the employer ID. And here we have the level in the hierarchy. We can also use sysconnect by path clause just to get the hierarchy. Here I am using slash as a separator here, and we use also root title for this example to get the root. Here the root for the president is null, so there is nothing to display. And here we see we have the employee hierarchy as expected. We can simulate the same behavior using also the recursive clause suggested by Snowflake also. So we need to get the president and then union all, and we do this code and parse the result in a JSON collection. And this is the result here. It is like the sysconnect by path, but it is in collection mode. We have a compatible with Oracle, but there is some limitation. There is no cycle, there is no connect by cycle, and there is no connect by leaf. And we tried just to simulate the connect by leaf using this code, using union all and the match between the parent and the child. And with this code, I can find the same result here. This is for connect by leaf. And as you can see here, this is the leaf and the other node are not leaf. It could be in the higher level, but there is no last leaf. And we have here the path and we have the level also in the same equity. Parent-child hierarchy view, as I said, it is graph views that took these parameters, so the file name, the column name, the required arguments, and there is some optional arguments as the reverse, as the column name and the groupment, and we'll see in the demo. So for that, it is a prerequisite to get Python 3.9 or higher, and that we will have an issue. We install the Panda as required, and here we see that the data are displayed in hierarchy with a graph. Here it is simplified by employee ID. Here it is by employer name. Here it is by employer name, but we top to bottom we use the reverse argument. Here it is HTML display with hierarchy. Here we have a groupment with department ID 30, 60. Here we have also a groupment with a job ID. And finally, here we have a bubble cart. It will be resized based on the salary value, and the actual value we will have some tooltips. Here we have also all the detail, and we need just to do manual action because there is a limitation for the file path to get finally the detailed graph. So let's go to the demo. So here we have the table creation, it is done, the stage is the content of the stage. We have the CSV file, so it is already copied. So here for the connect by close, we will see that we have the manager ID, the employer ID, and we have the level for the node. Here the sysconnect by path is the same code. And we have the path from the root node to the leaf. Here we are using the recursive clause, another alternative from Snowflake, in addition to the connect by, and we have the collection of the hierarchy here. Here we have the connect by is leaf for the leaf node, just to be 1 or 0 if is a leaf. So for that, in SQL mode, now we will go to the code. You see the code from the link. So we have here the required argument. We need to check if the required argument are available, else you need just to check that. And we need to take the argument and to display the graph using the Viz online explorer. So if I will just I will put all command one shot explore that, see that. So here we have the display as hierarchy for our data in Opera Explorer, and here we have all each command will display individual views here from the employer ID, the hierarchy, so from the bottom to the top. The second one is using the name from the bottom to the top also. The third one from the top to the bottom, we have the president, and these are leaf. This display the groupment by department ID. This is a groupment with job ID or job code. And here it is a bubble with hierarchy, and we have here that tooltip is displayed, and the size of the bubble is related to the value of the salary. So it's 70,000, the boss $25,000. So that's all for the hierarchy. It is short video, but you could use the link to reproduce the same behavior. It could be a native application with some enhancement just to see the display type and the required columns. So thank you very much for watching, and hope see you in a future video. Thank you.